Welcome back to another video. This time I'm teaching you guys how to make Cloud Dodger episode 3. First, we go to File and then Save as a copy, and then change it to Cloud Dodger episode 3. First, I'm gonna make more clouds by just right click duplicate it, and I'm gonna put it right beside Cloud 2. It's called Cloud 3, and then I'm gonna go to Custom, and I'm gonna click on both of them. I mean, one of them, and then go to this, click this red button, and then change it to dark, kind of a dark blue. Change both of them, or you can just press this for the second one and and then hover, cover the color you want it to be there. Now I'm gonna go to code, and then if score is bigger than 49, I'm gonna wait 2 seconds, create clone myself, but I'm gonna move for only 3 steps. So if touching edge, change score by 1. If touching cats, change cat's life by -2. And change score by 2. There. Now I'm gonna add some texture to my background. I'm gonna add some lighting here. So I'm gonna click on this line button and then go to outline, and I'm gonna pick yellow, of course. uh, Yellow. I'm gonna make it brighter, and I'm gonna change the thickness to 15, 10 actually, 10. So I'm gonna draw a line and another not line and another line. Now I'm gonna click on this mouse and then click on the light line and then copy and paste. I'm gonna copy it one more time, copy and paste, and there are 3 light. Now I'm gonna go to blue sky 2, 3, and I'm gonna add some rains. I'm gonna fill it to be blue and with no outlines. There. Now I'm gonna make a small drop, and I'm gonna Control C, Control V, like uh, until you think it's enough. Uh, Actually, Control C, Control V. I'm just gonna make it. You There's a way to make it faster by just pressing one of the raindrops and then press shift and then press another one and 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 then copy and paste so you have all the copies of them. I'm gonna put it here, somewhere here. I'm gonna make some here. So I'm gonna Control C, Control V, and somewhere over here. There, good enough. Now I'm gonna make a sun to the blue sky 2 and blue sky 2 2. I'm gonna make it yellow. I'm gonna click on the circle button and then make a circle by pressing shift while dragging it. Now I'm gonna put it at the corner. And to the blue sky 2 2, I'm just gonna go back to the blue sky 2 and click the mouse pointer and then press the sun. Copy, go to blue sky 2 2 and paste. Now I'm gonna put it right here. Now I'm gonna make a menu. So I'm gonna choose a sprite and then I'm gonna press paint click on the square button and then change the fill color to light blue or dark blue if you want to. And I'm going to drag till the whole screen is blue. Like, and I'm going to go to events, go back to code and go to events and get a when green flag click. Go to motion, go to X0, Y0. Now go to costume. I'm going to press the texting button. I'm going to change the color to black or something, this kind of color. And then I'm going to text Cloud Dodger. I'm going to make it bigger and I'm going to put it right here. And I'm just going to change it back to white, the color, because it's brighter. Now, I'm going to make some cloud in the menu. Well, actually, I'm going to press the Cloud Dodger and then copy and paste it. Now I'm going to change it to black color. And I'm going to put it somewhere here and make it smaller. Now I'm going to press back and then I press the background and I press back. Now, actually, I don't want to do that. So I'm just going to delete the one I just made and put the Cloud Dodger text where you want it to be and put outlines black, color black, there. Now I'm going to go to the cloud sprite right here. I'm going to select the whole thing, copy, go back to sprite run, and paste. Now there's some clouds. There's also a red one, copy. I delete it. So I'm going to control Z, just going back. And I'm just going to paste the red cloud. Now the blue cloud, I'm going to copy, sprite one, paste. There. I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to make the cat. So I'm going to select the whole thing, copy, paste it. So I'm going to be right here. And I'm going to select these two by pressing shift and click both of them. And then flip horizontal, like right here. And then do the other one, the same thing. There. Now it's like the cat is dodging the clouds. And I'm going to name this menu. Now, when green flag click, go to 0, 0. Well, you can't see because the menu is blocking. So I'm going to go to control, forever loop. I'm going to go to looks and get a set color effect, but I'm going to change it to ghost effect to 0. Forever loop, change ghost effect by 25. Actually, 4. And I'm going to go to control and repeat 25 times. Or I'm just going to repeat 50 times and change ghost effect by 2. That looks good. Now I'm going to go back to cats because last episode I changed the score by 3, so I'm just going to change it back to 1. Now I'm going to try it out. Now for the cat sprite. Uh, wait. I'm gonna go to cat cut or cause the cat's life is 0 now, and I set it to be 10. Oh, and I set to 0 here, so I'm just gonna delete this set cat's life to both of the sprites. So now it'll be 10, and it'll change the cat's life every time you hit the clouds. Now I'm gonna go to choose a sprite and then paint. I'm gonna go to the square button and then fill it to red to make a like when you lose there's a screen to say you lose. Now I'm gonna go to text and I'm gonna fill it black. I'm gonna say text you lose. There. Now I'm gonna make it bigger and I'm gonna make a sad face by just doing, I'm gonna make it white and uh I'm gonna make the line thicker there. And I'm gonna click on the line, copy and paste, so there will be another eye. And then a sad mouth. Change it to white and delete this white dot I just made. Go back to this, click on this brush button, make the line bigger, 30, and a sad face. And I'm gonna make the you lose color to be white. Now I'm gonna go to events, one green flag click. I'm gonna hide. Go back to events. When I receive, I'm just gonna do message one, and I'm gonna bring the show block underneath the when I receive message one, and then stop all and control, go to the and get stop all. Now I'm gonna go to cat, take a if, put it underneath the if down arrow press or key S press underneath that if operators equal sign cat's life is equal to 0. Then I'm gonna broadcast message 1. Now I'm gonna touch the clouds to like get the life to be 0 just to test it out, will it work? Because you're supposed to get as high score as you can but not to lose. Okay, good. I think it's kind of like moved to the side, so I'm going to go back to sprite 1 and first change it back the name to you lose. And I'm going to go to motion, go to X0, Y0. So now I'm going to try to lose again. There, it looks better. So this is the end of the episode of Cloud Dodger episode 3. Bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And bye.